Hey guys, Anthony here, and in this video I'll explain to you what is an Australian ETA. If you're traveling to Australia, you need an ETA, also known as an Electronic Travel Authority, which is an electronic travel document that provides you authorization to travel and enter Australia, and it is electronically linked to your passport. In terms of the ETA requirements, to apply for an ETA online, you must be outside Australia. You must have a passport, email address, and a valid credit card. Make sure that the details provided are exactly the same as they appear in your passport. You can apply for an ETA online, but this option is only available for some countries including Canada, United States, Singapore, Japan, Hong Kong, and a couple of other countries. If you're not eligible to apply for an ETA online, you may be able to apply through a travel agent, airline, or at an Australian visa office. The cost of an ETA is $20 Australian and can be paid via major international credit cards like MasterCard, Visa, American Express, Diners Club, and JCB. There are some limitations to an ETA. An ETA is for short-term stays for tourism or business visitor activities. An ETA is not a work permit, and it is illegal to work on an ETA. You're able to enter and leave Australia as many times as you need to during the 12-month period, from the date the ETA is granted, or until the expiry date of your passport, whichever is earlier. You can stay in Australia for a maximum of 3 months on each visit. In most cases, you will be informed of the result of your application before leaving the online ETA system, though some applications might require additional processing. If your application is not processed immediately, check back in 12 hours using the Check an ETA option. But that's pretty much it. You can check this video on how to apply for an ETA online. Well, I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. And thanks for watching.